It's like 6 inches of cigarettes. Oh, I got it! Oh!
What's up, Boston? Is that you? What's up? You okay?
Yeah.
Heard you took the ditch.
I took a median.
Avoided the deer?
Something like that. Hurdle on the road.
What's going on? You're looking good. Did you lose weight?
Yeah. And it got bigger.
Oh, you can see it now?
How you been?
Good, yeah.
Good. Have seen
What?
whistle over there.
What are you doing?
doing?
What? I'm coming to harass your dad.
By the way, I cut a couple kilos over there.
What?
Put it away, man. Put the camera down. You ever watch Cartel Ground?
What do you got here?
Me and Dad, every New Year's, we drink this together.
What is it?
It's 19 kerms. But we've never been together while we've drank in a bottle of it.
Really?
Yeah, we've always just been FaceTime. We've never been together on New Year's or Christmas. Touchy subject, don't worry about it.
What else? Where's your rat?
6 years clean.
Where's your pet rat?
It's dead. I shot that one in the head of the 22, eh? Across the floor.
You let it out?
Yeah, and that blue shotgun, that one, there's a bunch of holes in that.
What? Into what?
The hole, door over there.
There's holes where?
Yeah, I was in Vegas, I faced my
In the
dad.
door?
There's a whole bunch of dents in the door.
That's from you shooting.
Yeah.
At rats.
A ball hole out here. Dad was gone for like a month and a half. I had to take care of the rat. Hash brown?
No, good thing. What's your dad doing? How does he take care of the rats?
Huh?
How's your dad take care of the rats?
He just them. Ow.
Did you see the promos for Back Road Truckers?
Yeah, I'm big, eh? I'd be famous again.
That truck. Whoever owns that truck now.
Oh, yeah. Did you get me jumping it into the muskeg part?
Yes, everything.
Smashing it down?
Yes, the twisted like this into the muskeg.
Yeah.
He's
Did you
gonna
put me
be
jumping in the pond? Am I underwear in it?
yes, all of it.
Nice.
No, the guy knew what happened to it. I think who bought it. Excuse me.
Got it. And I got it. Proof.
Thank you. What's your dad doing over there?
I don't know. Go ask him.
He's scheming.
Hey, I bought you a shop vac today. And a genuine shop vac. Because you know shop vac went out of business in 2022. You can't buy anything anymore now. So anyways, I bought that for you. And look what else I bought. Package deal. Extra $10, I got this whole thing of CDs. There's City of Angels. There's Garth Brooks in here. You know what you know what a VCR tape is selling for right now? Large. VCR is worth money. Soon CDs will be not in your lifetime. You'll be dead. But me, probably sitting on at least $35 right there.
You know, you gotta love it. I'm here to try to clean my shop up, and he's collecting shit in it. Like, it's fairly interesting. Okay, you guys ready? Start packing some out of here for my garage sale.
Oh, I'm busy right now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at this. Look at this. He's busy. Look at this.
hey, he's busy. Okay, think you smoking?
What?
You want one? I got lots more.
It's like 6 inches of cigarettes.
That's like 2 months of partying.
That is like what? I don't.
But Kate, but the cool part, look at the size of the freaking piston rings that are on there. You could pull a Chevy truck with one of them.
The piston rings.
You could build a buck.
You're missing a piston ring.
You could build a goddamn Swiss Army knife with just some material right there. Hey, go find something better. Dad.
And one of us needs to find something better to do. Get.
Hey. I bought us a little treat, okay? Since we never have actually ever tried it together, we've always just FaceTimed while we're drinking it. $19 crimes. I got us swallow 19 crimes. We're gonna drink that later. We get drunk, yell at each other. Maybe you know. Invite some of your honeys over.
You're an idiot.
Anyways, you want? Hey,
See what you guys have to put up with? What's going on?
are you excited?
See what you have to put up with?
Are you excited?
These are the guys here that are going to come. They're renting half my shop there. That are going to try to.
Yes, the electric guys.
The electric guys are going to.
What did you say? They're going to put
Not
an
just
electric...
electric.
Yeah, everything,
They're
yeah.
going to put an electric motor in.
That's how I identify you.
No, that 16AB goes in there over there behind that over there. That's
In what? In the
a
swamp?
good wine actually.
Yeah, we're gonna have a sip of it.
Yeah, we'll have a drink with you.
You got a wine cork opener?
Yeah, lots of them.
We gotta drink it now.
Yeah, I do. You gotta stop banging desperate single house mothers.
Somebody's gotta do it, man.
You got a corkscrew over there, Eve?
How do you think you got here?
Mom don't drink. She just likes to. Hey, where's the torch at? I saw this thing on TikTok. Give me a torch. Don't worry, we ain't smoking
Where's
puddles.
my torch at?
You can't ask for that because I don't live here anymore.
We get way better content when Avery Shafin's here.
Oh, is that? Oh, I got it!
You're an asshole.
I killed the mosquito that was sucking your precious blood, baby.
This is fun here, Avery.
The word poster child for birth control should come in there somewhere. Where's
Wait,
my
don't you
torch
think?
at?
No doubt, eh?
Don't you by 25 years.
What are you looking for?
We're looking for a torch. Find it.
You take the torch, man, you run a perfect mixture with acetylene and oxygen. You fill a black garbage
Fill the
bag.
bag up with her.
And then you throw it by somebody on their welding, dude. It will roof right off this thing.
I filled a 5-gallon pail full of acetylene.
Yeah, and you lit it.
Explosion. Blew the needles off the tree feet away.
Really?
Seriously.
When I used to work in welding shops, I used
Yeah.
to fill the bags and throw them by
Where's
the
my
welding.
torch at?
Dude.
There she is.
You know what? We're gonna put some safety gear on here. Here.
What do you got going on here? Nothing, man.
Someone pull the video up. I forget exactly how they do it.
Hold it up, right?
Oh yeah, brother. Can't see.
Boy, cover your face, man.
You heat up the neck, you heat up the bottom of it.
You see this? Okay? Safety glasses.
Fuck right now, dude. This is probably a bad idea. Those things suck.
The yellow ones do. These ones are good.
If it ain't Milwaukee.
Here, wear them. They were good glasses. They're fast as fuck.
I got some just put these things on.
Work much faster.
She's not rising.
It'll blow it up. Keep going.
You're supposed to rise.
Really?
We're all gonna get blasted with hot wine.
Everyone hold it.
Oh God. It's flaming.
Bang!
Jesus.
I thought you would have went upstairs by now and got a wine opener.
Is it melting the bottle? This is not how I've seen it on YouTube.
This is not TikTok.
This is not how it went on the video. man.
Busted.
Myth busted.
Oh!
Oh shit.
Oh! Oh! Is that you working? Just
Put heat on it.
give it about 45 seconds when we drink cold. Just hold on.
Look at it coming out.
Just leave it.
Don't aggravate me.
Look, you ever see something grow that big before?
Yeah. He's such an idiot.
No, bald head shit. I just can't wait anymore. I might pull out. And here we all were out in it.
You're gonna have to give us some more heat.
Just, you know what? When you're you push hard, you let just come out.
I just push harder.
Just hold on.
Yeah.
Bang! That snake. Hold it.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Aiming her, man. Fucking aim. Loaded weapon.
Leave it me. Don't. Oh, what's the cork? What's the cork? I don't think I have that one yet.
19 times.
Oh, that fucking face off.
Take a pull.
Ooh, that's hot.
That's hot wine, boys.
Hell yeah, brother. Turn water to wine.
So we call shop breaking, boys. For all you wine connoisseurs out there, you know how to get the cork out of your jug now.
The legs are good on it. Yeah, you guys want a pull?
Hey, by the way, here's a corking fee in this shop for that bottle of wine.
It's all good. I'll push it.
Pretty smooth, or?
Just finish the bottle. Just keep going. It's bad. I know. Just drink it.
It's actually not bad. I'm not drinking any more of that. Where's the cork at?
Give it to the boys. They won't want to sip.
Here, guys, here. Take a pull.
Oh, I'm good. Take a pull.
Just, they saw the your tongue.
Funnel it, man. Oh, that was sloppy, man.
Someone say butt funnel?
Take a pull.
Go get it out of the pickup.
Come on.
Get the butt chug out, boys. It's about to get real.
Yeah, we're just only sniffing. No.
Just cold weed for me, thanks.
Jesus, walk on today.
That was an ocean, you idiot.
It was the water. Don't specify. Don't assume it's gender. It walked on the fucking water. I'll tell him when we love her still.
Don't be doing that, man.
Why is it so hard to get in the mouth?
She knows bullshit.
Yes, we will.